Designing a house, there's so many moving parts and it can be quite overwhelming. Hiring a designer will definitely reduce the stress of doing a build or a renovation. We definitely like to get involved early in the design process so we can work with the architect and the client to have a cohesive vision between the three people. We'll meet with you first and put together a scope of work, and then we get an overall look developed for your home. And then at that point, you'll approve that, and then we'll move forward into the design phase. So that's where the 3Ds will be created, and then every single detail will be picked out. And we'll show samples and bring you everything to be able to feel and touch and sort of get a sense of not just through the visuals and the renderings, but actually see the materials in hand. We're really there for the entire process, just making sure that every detail is tended to. In the long run, hiring a designer will definitely save money and time, helping guide you in the correct way.